Hi class, I just want to take a moment to highlight some important information for Module 2. First of all, I want to remind you that all due dates and live classroom session times are listed in Central Standard Time. Therefore, your assignments are not due until 11:59 p.m. in your time zone, but instead in Central Time. I hope you plan your time accordingly so that you are not down to the wire in submitting assignments or discussion posts, but I want to make sure this was clear for your reference. Our first live classroom session will be tomorrow, Tuesday, May 14th at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Please be prepared to share an example of one of your state's licensing rules that you feel that is critical to child safety. Also, this week you will begin your reflection journal. This assignment is not due this week, but will be due in Module 5. However, it is expected that you begin your journal now and create one entry week of Module 2 through 5. You do have two assignments that are due this week, the written assignment and the exploration assignment. Please refer to the rubrics for guidance on how the assignments will be graded so that you can ensure that you have included all the necessary components of the assignments. If you are struggling with a specific assignment or in the course in general, please let me know right away so I can help you connect you to a tutor. That wraps it up for this week's announcements. Please feel free to contact me with any questions. Have a great week.